So today I'm gonna see if I can hook up an OBD reader, one of these Bluetooth readers, basic one, to this 99 Altezza here. I haven't even checked if there's a Bluetooth or if there's an OBD port in it. I have no clue. And if there is, will it read it? Because this engine's not from North America. I don't know if this reader is just programmed to North America or if it's universal for the world. But anyway, let's find out and see what happens. All right, now I swear I've never even looked. I've had this car for like 2-3 years. Never had a reason. I've never had a light on in it, so I have never looked. So let's see if there's anything under here. Oh, is that it? Yes, there is. There's a port here. So now we'll see how well it can read it, being from a different country. There it is. Yeah, it's hot today. Okay, so I'm just going to might as well start the car because it is hot out and I want the AC. So at the same time, I'll do a little review on this Blue Driver. Here it is here. I will probably just record my screen now in a second and share it as I'm using it. Let's see here. We can read the codes. Got to go into my Wi-Fi actually to use this and make sure it's hooked up, or Bluetooth, or whatever it is. Bluetooth. Look at all these cars I got on here. There we go, Blue Driver. So I think it's connected. Yeah, so it's connected. Go back here. So as you saw there, I did look it up and it says Japan cars are 2010 or newer. Cannot read this 1999 Altezza, just can't find the connection. So I'll have to look around and see if I can get another one, because as soon as I pop an engine light on one of these, I'm gonna want to have to fix it or figure out what it is. Anyway, yeah, let's rev the engine or something for now.